I'm a Jamaican immigrant living in foreign. Of course, me no like snow. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Of course, I in a rush, me come buy the clothes and go send go down in a barrel come give me. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Of course, me nearly catch heart failure when Rebecca go fit dash for the scandal bag. Ima? I'm a Jamaican living in foreign. Of course, me go work every day, whether rain, shine or snow. Cause if me not go then we fire me. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Of course, me not like the people them water down soup. Of course, me don't yam nothing at the people them potluck. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living in foreign. Of course, me never know some me have to pump me own a gas. Me name Everton. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Of course, me do nursing. Me is a Jamaican living overseas. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Halloween? Okay. The blood. Of course, I'm a Jamaican immigrant living in America. Of course, me have to drink whole heap of the people them tea feet for taste hot. At 42 years now, me a wait for my green card. Can't go back home. Say me can't go come back in. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living in foreign. Of course, sometimes I drive on the left side of the road by mistake. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Of course, me have my flag in my car. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Me ignorant and dark for the people them dog, you see. What dog I do in a house? What dog I do on table? I first me know about indoor puss versus outdoor puss. Me hate when me a walk past them and then dog the pan. Hear them now? Oh, never mind him. He's just being friendly. Lady, if you know what good for your dog, you're moving. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Of course, me go church for sing and clap hand. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living in foreign. Of course, me wear my Jamaica colors everywhere me go. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living in foreign. Of course, me there they live broker than home me used to live at Jamaica. Of course, me have 3 jobs. Plus a jerk chicken business. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Of course, when me I go down, everybody asks me to carry down things for them. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living overseas. Of course, everybody greet me with, yeah man, Usain Bolt, no problem man, Bob Marley. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living in America. Of course, when anybody I come up, they have to bring yam, fried fish, patty, and KFC barbecue chicken from Mandeville. And of course, as we reach at the airport, they start twang. I'm a Jamaican immigrant living in America. When we go in the kitchen, and me go so and touch one switch, I me hearing something go so grrrr. When me looking at the sink, blender in the sink, then call it incinerator. Then suppose me the chop off my hand, ma.